Omoni CBEX Yora will so quick but a news getting to me now saying that those of us on CBEX right now, withdrawal for us is on hold till like April 14 of this month. So is CBEX going to crash, or are we going to like see this crash forever? So welcome to Airdrop. This is a channel where we talk about cryptocurrency, how to make money online, and many things about tech and finance. So guys, CBEX investors and CBEX traders, how should I even call you guys? You should notice some of you, whenever I post video about CBEX, you guys will be saying that CBEX is AI trading. It's AI trading, so we're going to be getting our money back. Even some of you will be dragging me under the comment section. I saw a post, someone saying that, a comment saying that, guy, make we they put our money for CBEX. We think concern your own there. But guys, this is not like, let me say I want to spoil the name or damage the look of CBEX to you guys. Let's start from number one. Let me say CBEX is not on Play Store, it's not on Apple Store, and also get the referral of 18. You don't even have you don't have a straightforward referral to like invite people into CBEX. The only thing you have to do is to go to their website, then you invest your money into CBEX. I don't even know how come CBEX became something viral in Nigeria, in which every crypto trader, even some people that they are not into crypto, they don't understand anything about crypto, they are even investing their money into CBEX. But now that the withdrawal is on OT April 14, what do you think is going to happen to CBEX trading platform? Though we do came out to come and say that CBEX is not it's not a legit platform like that. It's a puzzle scheme platform. But you guys will never understand and never get this. I don't understand why you guys keep on mentioning AI trading. Do you think AI trading also get losses, or let me say it stop loss like that? Because I don't understand. Let me just give you one secret about CBEX. CBEX is just a platform that old investors are the one paying the new investors. Immediately the old investors are not like getting some money to invest anymore. Then the new investors is going to like, their money is going to like crash and you won't be able to withdraw it. Let me say the reason why this happened to like CBEX today was the amount of people, the number of people withdrawing from CBEX, the volume is too high, so they have to like hold the withdrawal or note till April 14th. So what do you think is going to happen? There's one day coming like this that CBEX is going to say that we can't withdraw anymore entirely. What do you think is going to happen to CBEX platform? CBEX crypto trading. What do you think is going to happen to them in the nearest future? Just let me know in the comment section. And also let me try to teach you and put this into your hearing. One thing about CBEX is that nothing lasts forever. CBEX will not continue paying you $1,000, $200, $100 the way you are withdrawing your money very fast like that. One day CBEX is going to crash. So nothing lasts forever. And let me say, for now, I'm not advising to go and look for means to be withdrawing your money, but for now, withdrawal is still on OT April 14th. So what do you think is going to happen to your money? So go calm down. So guys, thanks for watching this video. For now, till next time, I'll be talking about CBEX and many other airdrop updates. So before I call it today, don't forget to go to the comment section. I want to see your reaction, since you do drag me about me calling CBEX a scam platform. But now that we're having withdrawal on hold, CBEX don't crash. Wait till now, call me again now. Let me see you under the comment section, guys. So bye for now.